It is going forward and it have on its own shadow too. Assalamualaikum, welcome to evolkits.com. Today we'll make this solar powered lunar rover and let's start. Okay, let's open the package. Okay, let's see what we have. First of all, we have a manual, and let's see what we have in the manual. There are 1 to 10 steps. Let's start from step number 1. Okay, let's out the plate. Now let's check all over the parts. We have the solar and some wheels and a DC motor and another solar panel, and it will be like this. And let's start. First step number 1, this is the step number 1. Now we have all the parts, and let's start from step number 2. Step number 2, we should connect the gear with the DC motor. Okay, we have done it. And now let's go to step number 3. Step number 3 has some holes. Now let's come to step number 4. Okay, we need to take this from the plates like this too. Okay, let's go to step number 5. Okay, we have 2 wheel axles, and next we have a gear. Okay. It is so tight. You should tell to elders what. You should tell to elders to help you out in this step. It need to be in the center. Okay, let's do the next. Now put the axle of back side. Let's remove the rubber and the next one too. Okay, now be careful. Doesn't cut the wire. Okay, now let's do the next one. Now let's remove the rubber tape cover. Now connecting the each wires. Now connecting motor black wire with the solar panel. Okay, now let's do the cable. Make sure these 2 wires doesn't connect with each, otherwise it doesn't work. Use some insulated tape so that it doesn't touch with each other. Now use cable tie to secure the wires. It's completed. Now let's see outside in the sunlight. Whoa, it's working! It is so awesome, and it goes just like a turtle. Shadow, it stopped and it start again. Friends, we have a lot of other kits. Visit our website www.evolve.com.pk is our website. You can order it online from us. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.